I am so excited to be trying this stuff on for you today. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Life and Style by Liz, and welcome back to my studio. It has been probably a year since I have filmed in here. Shame on me. I thought it would be nice to give you guys a change of scenery, and we're going to do something different for this Walmart Wednesday, and I haven't even said that term in so long. I am going to be doing an unboxing. If I can lift the box, here we go. I have one of these and then a smaller one underneath. I'm going to dive right in, pull the packages out, and we're going to go over. Because I am in my studio, you may hear my children. It's summertime, no one's in school right now, but we are going to be focused on this box and what is inside. And I am so excited because you guys, I placed this order like 2 weeks ago. I even forgot myself. So let's open her up. I have scissors here and we're going to get right into it. All right, you guys, box is opened. Let's pull out the first item. It looks so cute and I'm kind of remembering what this is already. I love when Walmart leaves my items on the hanger. I think that's so fun. You guys, check this out. Now, I am here with some new arrivals, and these are just new to us, right? That's what I call new arrivals. These are not yet fall clothes. We are still in summer, you guys. As of filming, it's still July, and I believe when you see this, it is still going to be July. So check out this gorgeous maxi dress. I did tell you recently that chocolate brown is trending for fall, and it certainly is already starting. So this is the perfect dress. You're getting that pretty chocolate brown along with it being a summer style. Now, this is a new brand. I stumbled upon Nicole Miller at Walmart. Yes, you heard that correct. This is Nicole Miller. I cannot wait to try this beautiful maxi dress on for all of you. What I love about it is it does have a V-neck with sort of like a halter styling, and then it's got that racer back, but this is such a gorgeous print, you guys. I wish you could feel it. It's super silky and satiny. Now, I did grab this in a size small, and I think based on the way it is cut, sort of in that A-line, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, next item is a pair of Bermuda shorts, you guys. I have been dying to try these. Not sure if you guys have noticed, but many higher end brands are showing these dad shorts, and they are basically these baggy, longer jean shorts. These are by Scoop. These have really pretty sparkles on the front. I thought these would be really cute dressed up with a heel and a cute bag. So that's how I'm planning on styling them. And I cannot wait to try them on. Now, what I grabbed is a size 2 because I did read on the website that they run rather large and they're stretch as well. So these should be really fun to wear and I cannot wait to style these. We're moving on to Jessica Simpson. This is another maxi dress. This one's in a cotton poplin. I do love the poofy sleeves and that square neckline. Look at the covered buttons. You guys know I love a covered button. So pretty. And then the back is smocked, which also gives you a really good fit typically. You do have one tier of ruffle down at the bottom, but this is so pretty. You guys know I love black. I don't believe this one comes in any other colors. I did grab it in a size small, and I think this is perfect for late summer, early fall. You can certainly continue to wear this as the weather gets cooler. Just pair a little crop jacket or even a cardigan would look cute over this as well. Loving that. I love Jessica Simpson and you all seem to love her as well. So I did place an order recently for more of her stuff, but I'm super excited to try this dress on. Check out these pants, you guys. These are a utility pant. These are in a size 4 and they feel like they're in like a cotton, possibly a little bit of a linen. I love that contrasting fabric as well as those cargo pockets. And you guys know I'm a sucker for all things olive. That is another one of my favorite colors. It's a great neutral. I love how it could take you from summer right into fall and be super appropriate in color. And also, you guys, these are a barrel pant. So I'm definitely excited to try. Right, not just Scoop, not just Jessica. I have some men NYC and I don't remember what this is. So I am really excited. Okay, you guys, guess what this is? This is like a duster cardigan, but it's not in a sweater fabric. This one is in this sheer material. Check out that color, you guys. I cannot wait to style this. This can be styled so many different ways. I can actually wear it over just a plain black dress. I could wear it over a jumpsuit, or I could wear it over a pair of jeans with a cute cami or tube top, and that would look really cute as well. This is in sort of an eggplant color with that ruffle and tie, and I love how sheer it is. I am thrilled to be styling this for you. This color is absolutely trending for fall. I think we talked about that in my Nordstrom video, how you're seeing some plums, some burgundies, chocolate browns, eggplant, and here we are with this gorgeous piece by Madden NYC. And I did grab this one in a size small, and it looks like it's the perfect size. Cannot wait to try this on. Guys, don't get mad at me, and I don't remember ordering this, but I do have a little black tube top, and I think I ordered it to pair with the cardigan maybe, or maybe I'm making excuses and I just wanted it for myself because, you know, I have like 10 of them and I need like 20 of them. So here it is. It's by No Boundaries, and I want to say that I remember this was considered sleepwear, you guys. It is by No Boundaries. It's in a size small. It's considered. Last item in this box is going to be this gorgeous sweater, you guys. Now, I've been seeing this on the website and I did not purchase it. I kind of resisted. I'm so glad I grabbed this one. I didn't realize there was metallic threading through it. So this is by Scoop. It's a one shoulder sweater top. It is so cute. Doesn't it look cute already? And I love the fact that, yes, it does have that metallic threading going through it, and it's a good thick fabric. I feel like this one can be worn straight through holiday season, especially with that metallic fabric. So don't feel like you're buying summer things in late summer and you're not sure if it's worth it. This is going to be worth it. I can tell already. So I'm excited about this one too. All right, I'm going to open the next box and we're going to pull all the stuff out. Box number 2, you guys, and I'm realizing that I'm probably going to have to make this into a part 1 and a part 2. We'll see how it goes. But I did grab another pair of Jessica Simpson jeans. These are the Zinnia wide leg boyfriend jeans. These have come in so many different fabrics and designs. If you recall, I showed you a pair in early summer that had like a floral print. These are the same style, except these have that tiny bit of distressing. They still have the cuff. Same structure, same pocket placement. These look really good, you guys. So I am excited, of course, to style these. And I did grab these in a size 4. They do tend to run really big. We'll have to see how these fit. Sometimes different designs fit differently. So I grabbed my straight true to size, which is a 4, and we will figure out from there if I need to size down. I'm going to try this stuff on for you now, and you will see how much we get through. If I can't get through it all today, of course, I will let you know when you're going to see the rest of it. But I think that we can do this as long as I don't talk too much. Don't let me talk too much, you guys. I'll be back with the styling. I am now styling the clothing for you. I did want to, before I show you all of the clothes that I just unboxed, show you my outfit that I was wearing when I was sitting over here on my couch. Hopefully this setup works. We're going to try it out. I really need to get back down here. It is really a nice change of pace for me, as well as I'm sure all of you. All right, so as you know, I'm wearing that No Boundaries padded tube top. I did grab this one in a medium. I wanted it to be a bit longer. It does have some cinching on the sides, a cute little tie bow right here, and as I said, that shelf bra with padding, which is fantastic, especially in the summer heat. So backing up to show you another thing by No Boundaries, these are the wide leg denim jeans. I grabbed them in the black. What I love about them are the grommets that graze the sides on the pockets. I think that is so cute. I did grab these in a size small. Again, they are in that wide leg, and the length is perfect. There's a bit of stretch in them as well, which I love. And you guys, I found them interesting because they are really pull-on. So you have a little bit of a tie right here that is functional. It will bring in the waist a bit, but then you just have that one button. This zipper is actually faux, but they open up wide enough to get in them and get them over your hips, I promise. But what I love is that design makes them so comfortable. Here they are in the back. You can see the drawstring does gather the back as well. Pocket placement is great. These are so comfortable. If you guys saw my recent Nordstrom video, I could honestly see these jeans with a black shirt and those cute UGG slippers that I purchased. I'll put them up on the screen because they are still on sale under $70 over at Nordstrom. And I think you guys would love them styled with all of the wide leg pants and jeans that I've been showing you. So this is what I am wearing right now. I do have one other thing I want to show you. My bag. You guys know you can get this one from Amazon for the same look, but I thought it went really well with my new sandals, you guys. These are adorable and they are right on trend. Trending right now are, yes, of course, 70s items, but also that little bit of 90s thrown in there, or early 2000s. Do you guys remember these kind of shoes? These are back. These are by Dream Pairs. Dream Pairs has a fantastic selection of shoes. I've been showing them to you for years. And I absolutely love these. I grabbed these and a couple other pairs right off of the Dream Pairs website, and I'll link everything for you, of course. Check these out, you guys. I love that platform. I love that nice chunky heel, and I do love that cushioned footbed. I also love this neutral color. Now, if this color is not for you, they absolutely have a ton of other colors. I just thought it went really well with my bag, and I love to contrast my all black outfits because you guys know I wear a ton of black with a little bit of brown or off-white and sometimes nude or other colors as well, something different other than black. So this is the final look. I hope you guys are hearing me well and seeing me well enough in here. This is a trial run, and you guys absolutely stop what you're doing and let me know in the comments down below what you think of being back in the studio. And I'll be back with my next fit finally from our unboxing. I am back with our next look. I unboxed this dress first, and we knew it was going to be fantastic, and it did not disappoint, you guys. This is that Nicole Miller maxi dress that I stumbled upon at Walmart.com. I was in shock. I had no idea Walmart carried Nicole, and I am thrilled with this. Now, keep in mind, I'm wearing it in a size small. You do have to pull it over your head. There is no side zip. However, it's nice and full. It was easy to pull over my head. Do have these straps going over the top. And guess what, you guys? Big surprise, there's a shelf bra inside. So that was really nice. And it's a good one. It goes all the way around in the back. So I did love that. Let me back up and show you how beautiful this is, you guys. I'm telling you, I was just at Nordstrom. You guys know that. And I was on many designer floors over there. This dress could have fit right in over at Nordstrom, but it's from Walmart. You know, Nicole Miller was in the 90s a high fashion designer. I'm not sure how her brand has gone since then, but hey, it looks fantastic and it still looks designer. And the feel of it is like a silky scarf, you guys. And yes, it has pockets. I was in shock when I took it off the hanger and found these cool pockets. You guys know that makes such a difference in a dress. Check out the back. You can see it does have that sort of racerback style to it. What I love the most is this fabric and print. This is so silky and so beautiful. It took me 2 seconds to steam. It's not like a stiff cotton or anything like that. It is just absolutely perfect and so easy to wear. So I actually paired it with another pair of Dream Pairs sandals that I have. And again, you can get these over at dreampairs.com, and I am going to link them for you. But how perfect are these brown sandals with that cute kitten heel for this dress? Just absolutely perfect. If you guys have an event coming up in August, if you're going wine tasting, if you're going to an outdoor venue for a concert or dinner, this whole outfit would be adorable. Now, you guys are going to laugh where this purse is from. I believe I've not shown it in a while, and it is so adorable. Loving these Dream Pair shoes, and of course, these will be linked as well. They are so beautiful, you guys. Like I said, I've been showing Dream Pairs shoes for years, and I keep bringing them back out again and again because they last and they're so comfortable. One last look at this gorgeous Nicole Miller dress. It did not disappoint from pulling it out of the bag to wearing it right now. I'll be back with our next unboxed look. Back with my next look. If you recall, we unboxed these cute scoop sort of cargo pants. They are adorable, you guys. I did choose to, wear them the way I like to with a more edgy look. However, these can be worn to the office. Obviously, you're not going to wear this cute one-shoulder shirt by Pretty Garden, but you're going to go ahead and wear something office appropriate. These are in a size 4, by the way, and they are definitely roomy on me. Remember, these are in that barrel leg, which is trending. I did go ahead and put the brown Dream Pairs shoes back on. They go very well with the brown shirt, obviously, and I love the color scheme of the all earth tones. So this is just an adorable look. Now, these pants do come in other colors if you're not into the olive. I think they're so nice though. Again, I love pants or any kind of clothing that I can dress up or down. You're going to be able to do that with these pants. Again, from the office to date night, it all depends on how you style them. I tend to lean towards the edgy look. We know this. And that's why I have several date night videos on my channel. By the way, check those out. Here is the back of the pants. I love the pockets. And I do love that barrel design. They are so comfortable, you guys. Hopefully you guys are still into the barrel design. I know many of you at first rejected it. Even I did. However, it's kind of grown on me. Comment below and let me know what you think of barrel jeans, barrel pants at this point. I think we're not going to be able to escape them even this season. They've been trending for just about a year now and it doesn't seem like they're going anywhere. So I'd love to know how you guys feel. And just to go over this top, this again is by Pretty Garden. Now, I believe it's sold on both Walmart and Amazon. I will link both for you if I could find them. And just to let you know, I did grab it, I believe, in a size medium. So cute. I love the one-shouldered design. It has a little bit of gathering on the shoulder, and then it does ruche all the way down. And it's a good length. You guys know I have a short torso, but just to show you, it does go down to here. I love the ruching because I don't have to tuck it in. It just kind of bunches itself up at my waist and exactly where I want it. So loving this one, and of course, I'm going to link it for you. All right, you guys, I'm going to come back with my last look and then we'll go over our lip combo. And then don't forget, next video, I will show you the rest of today's unboxing. I am back with my final look and I do have on that long Jessica Simpson dress. This one is in that cotton poplin. It does have that poof on the sleeves, the fabric covered buttons that I love. Now it is sort of in that empire waist, and then it is a full maxi dress. It does not have a true shape to it as far as showing off any curves or anything like that, other than up at the top. By the way, the top is smocked for that nice fit. So I want to know what you guys think of it on me. I know that you are all used to me in more fitted clothing, and I am used to that as well. So I thought it'd be interesting to see your opinion on this dress. It is long. It does have that one tear at the bottom like we saw when I unboxed it. And that's it, you guys. There's nothing more to it. It's just a simple maxi dress with sleeves. And I think it would be great if you're not someone who loves your arms. These are like a balloon sleeve on the hem. So they're the really soft hem that kind of has elastic underneath, doesn't tug, doesn't feel tight or anything like that. So you may appreciate that. I was also thinking you could probably wear it off the shoulder, which would be adorable. It would be a cute outdoor dress if you had an outdoor event and you needed to wear something really pretty. This is great. You don't have to wear a heel like I did. You could certainly cash it up and put a pair of flat sandals on it. Really cute, you guys. Just not sure it's for me, just because my style tends to lean towards things that are a little bit more fitted or at least show off my waist. That does suit me. All right, you guys, let me grab my lip combo. All right, this is definitely different, wrapping it up here in the studio. By the way, the dress is in a size small and it did fit me very well. So Jessica Simpson's sizing could be a little different between jeans and her other clothing, but I do find other than the jeans, everything runs true to size. So I came in today with Sienna by Revlon. It's sort of that darker orangey nude. I do prefer this sometimes. Lined very well with that. And this is just a 2 lip combo today. I came in with a Patrick Ta. Now this one I purchased, I believe at Sephora, and this is in the color Blushing. And I do believe that it is a matte, so if you wanted to, you certainly could go over it with a gloss. But this again is sort of like a bricky, brownish, maybe leaning towards orange nude. And I filled in with that. I do like this combo. Again, I know many of you like the cooler tones. I wanted to slip in an orange tone just because it kind of went with my eyeshadow today and I think it all worked together. You can always grab a lip gloss or lip oil like this one by e.l.f. and give it a little bit more of a pinky tone. All right, you guys, that is all for today's video. Again, make sure you're subscribed. I promise to come back here with the rest of the unboxing and a few other goodies. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.